Hello guys, this is Vagabond here and welcome back to another editing tutorial. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make your photos into that Cyberpunk neon edit. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. So without much further ado, let's begin. The apps that I will be using are mobile apps, Lightroom and PicsArt. First, upload this photo into the Lightroom app and make the changes as shown here. After finishing this edit, save it to device and open PicsArt. Use that image and upload it in the PicsArt app. In this PicsArt app, make the changes as shown here. Follow step by step. Make sure you invert the image and erase as shown here. Now in this step, save the photo into your mobile and then click on the add photo. Use the same image and here. Use the brush tool to paint over the bottom part of the image so that it resembles a reflection of the neon lights. So there you go guys, that's the Cyberpunk edit or the neon edit. So this is the before, this is after Lightroom app, and this is the final image. You can make similar edits on images like these. Thank you for watching guys, hope you guys liked it, and see you in the next one.